Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 3 Save Jamuni. The lesson is about how the two children has saved the trees in a forest. The lesson is about how two boys saved the trees. There was a village near Panchavati forest. In the village, two children named Karan and Karim lived. And these two boys had a habit or they loved to play in the forest under a tree. In the forest, there was a big jamun tree. The tree was so big and had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. On hot summer days, Karan and Karim loved to play under the tree. They would take rest under its shade as well as they'll play hide and seek around the tree. And not only Karan and Karim, the tree was the house for many birds. The birds would bring twigs with their beaks and build the nest on the jamun tree. And along with the Karan and Karim, few more children will play under the shade of jamun tree. So they love to play, and also there were squirrels chasing each other. Like that, all the children are loving, children, squirrels, birds are loving to play under the jamun tree. They like that the days are going on happily. One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men entered their village and they stood at Devu Chacha's tea stall and were inquiring about the way to the forest. There were axes in their hands. So Karan and Karim, they got it out that what these three members will do, what these three men will do with the axes in their hands, why they are going to forest. So they got it out and followed the three men. Now the three men entered the forest and they have started cutting down the trees. Karan and Karim heard the sound of cutting down the trees, tug, 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 and they reached to that place and asked the men. They shouted loudly, "Stop that! Why are you cutting down the trees?" Karan and Karim shouted at the three men, but one of the men got angry and he shouted on the children that, "Go away, boys, from here, don't disturb us." And they started cutting down the trees. Now Karan and Karim did not like cutting down the trees. They thought that even they will cut the jamuni tree also. So they want to take the help of the teacher and they ran away into the village and reached their teacher and informed the story that what happened, that three men were cutting down the trees in the forest. After hearing the story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. By hearing the bell sound, the villagers were thinking that what's wrong, something was wrong, why the teacher is ringing the bell as it's a holiday on that day. The villagers gathered and they were discussing that what happened, something was wrong, that's why the teacher is ringing the bell. So they fastly went to the school and inquired the teacher why he rang the bell. Then the teacher said that the men were cutting down the trees in the forest. All the villagers got angry and they shouted that how cruel it is cutting down the trees, and they followed the boys and entered into the forest. Then the villagers reached the men. The men were about to cut down the jamuni tree. Then the villagers shouted on the three men that, "Stop, don't touch the tree." By seeing the villagers, the three men were scared. They threw their axes and they ran very fastly from that place. Thus, Karan and Karim saved jamuni tree and also other trees. From that day onwards, all the villagers they have took turns at guarding the trees. So children, that is about the story. And here trees are very important for us. We all must grow more trees and also we should protect the trees. Okay. Now that is about the lesson Save Jamuni. Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Now I'll show you the video of the lesson. Watch the video and understand the lesson clearly, children.
Save Jamuni. There was a village near Panchavati forest. In the village, lived two children, Karan and Karim. In the forest was a big jamun tree. The big jamun tree had a thick trunk and lots of branches and leaves. On hot summer days, Karan, Karim and other children would rest in its shade. Sometimes they would play hide and seek around it. They would climb the tree and sit among its branches. Karan would say,
"Look at those squirrels. They like to chase each other."
the tree was the home of many birds. The birds would bring twigs in their beaks to build their nests. Karan and Karim liked watching the birds. Once a year, the tree would be full of purple jamuns. Karan and Karim would collect the jamuns for themselves and their families. They had named the tree Jamuni, meaning the purple one. One morning, Karan and Karim saw three men at Debu Chacha's tea stall. The men were carrying axes.
Can you tell us the way to the forest?
One of the men asked Debu Chacha. After the men left for the forest, Karan said,
"What will these men do with these axes? We must find out."
"Let's go to the forest," said Karim. On reaching the forest, they heard a noise. Thuk, thuk, thuk. The strangers were cutting down some trees.
"Stop that!
Karan and Karim shouted loudly.
Why are you cutting down these trees?"
Go away, boys. Don't disturb us.
Said one of the men angrily. The men would soon cut down Jamuni too. Karan and Karim did not like trees being cut down.
"Let's go and ask our teacher for help,"
said Karim. The boys ran all the way to their teacher. On hearing their story, the teacher started ringing the school bell. The villagers asked each other,
Why is the school bell ringing on a holiday? Let's find out.
They hurried to the school. The teacher told them what the three men were doing. The villagers were angry.
How cruel!
They said. They followed the boys into the forest. The men were about to cut down Jamuni.
Stop! Don't touch that tree!
The villagers shouted. The men got scared on seeing so many people. They threw away their axes and ran as fast as they could. Thus, Karan and Karim saved Jamuni and the other trees. From that day onwards, the villagers took turns at guarding the trees. We all must grow more trees and protect them.
That is the video of the lesson. Hope you all have understood the lesson. Now, today we will discuss the textbook bits and tomorrow we will discuss the hard words and question and answers of this lesson. Okay children, all of you open your textbooks. Here, comprehension. In comprehension, bit A, write T for the true or F for false. So write T for the true statement and F for false statement. Okay. Here the first question is, Karan and Karim lived in a village. Yes, Karan and Karim lived in a village near a forest. Which forest, children? Panchavati forest. So both of them lived in a village near Panchavati forest. So the answer is true. Write T in the blank. The answer is true. Write T in the blank, children. Now next, second question. They would rest under the jamun tree in summer. Yes, the children love to take rest and play under the tree. So the answer is true. Write T in the blank. Now third question, children. They like to tease the squirrels. Did they tease the squirrels? No, they loved the squirrels playing. They loved to watch the squirrels playing as well as they loved to watch the birds. Now the tree is the home for number of birds. It is the home of the birds, okay, as well as the squirrels. So Karan and Karim both they love to watch the squirrels as well as the birds. So the answer is false. Write F in the blank, children. Okay. Now next, fourth question. The men were able to cut down Jamuni. Now the men are able to cut down, children? No. When they are about to cut down the tree, the villagers stopped them. So the answer is false. Write F in the blank. Next question, children. Fifth one. We all must grow more trees and protect them. We all must grow more trees and protect them. Yes, trees are very important for us. Trees plays a vital role in our life. So it is essential that everyone must grow trees and protect them. So the answer is true. Write T in the blank. Now that is about true or false. Once check your answers, children. Come on, read out along with me. Read the question as well as the answer. First one. Karan and Kareem lived in a village. True. Second one. They would rest under the jamun tree in summer. True. Third one. They like to tease the squirrels. False. Fourth one. The men were able to cut down Jamuni. False. Next, the last question. We all must grow more trees and protect them. True. Okay. The answers are true, true, false, false, true. Okay. Now next bit B, children. Who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. So here the sentence are given. Who said those words? You have to write their names here in the blank. Okay. Now the first question, children. What will these men do with the axes? What will these men do with the axes? Who said these words? So these words were spoke by Karan. Karan said that what will these men do with the axes to Kareem? So the answer is Karan. Write Karan in the blank, children. K-A-R-A-N. Karan. Now next second question. Let's go and ask our teacher for help. Let's go and ask our teacher for help. So who said these words? Kareem said these words to Karan. So the answer is Kareem. K-A-R-I-M. Kareem. Kareem said these words to Karan. Next third question, children. Stop. Don't touch that tree. Stop. Don't touch that tree. Who said these words? The villagers said to the men who were cutting down the trees. Okay. So the answer is villagers. V-I-L-L-A-G-E-R-S. Villagers. Villagers said these words to the men who are cutting down the trees. Okay. Now once we'll read, children. First one. What will these men do with the axes? The answer is Karan. Second one. Let's go and ask our teacher for help. Kareem. Third question. Stop. Don't touch the tree. Villagers. So villagers said these words to the men. Now bit C. Tomorrow we'll discuss, children, the question and answers. Next, play with words. In play with words, bit D, add one more word to each set of words. So add one more word to each set of words. Here 3 words are given. You have to write one more word matching to these 3 words. So first one is jamun, mango, strawberry. So jamun, mango, strawberry are fruits. So you can write a fruit name here. So here kiwi is given in the textbook. Your wish, you can write your favorite fruit also. Okay. Jamun, mango and strawberry, kiwi. Next, second question, children. Banyan, neem, gulmohar. Banyan, neem, gulmohar. These 3 are the names of a tree. Banyan tree, neem tree, gulmohar tree. So write a name of tree here in the blank. So you can write any tree name. Mango tree you can write tamarind you can write as you wish. Here I am writing Ashok. Ashok tree. ASHOK. Ashok tree. Okay. So here you wish you can write any name of a tree. Next, third one is rose, poppy, sunflower. Rose, rose flower, poppy flower, sunflower. These three are the names of the flowers. So you can write any name of the flower which you like. Lotus or jasmine as you wish. So here I am writing lotus. Name of a flower. Okay, now next fourth one, children. Nose, head, chin. Nose, head, chin are the body parts. So you can write any body part here. I am writing eyes. Your wish. You can write any body part here. As nose, head, chin are the body parts, you have to write any one of the body part here in the blank. Next, fifth one, children. Bedroom, kitchen, sitting room. Bedroom, kitchen, sitting room. So these are the names of the room. Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, sitting room, living room. Okay. So you can write any room name here in the blank. So here I am writing bathroom. Bathroom. Okay. Now next, the last question, children. Sixth one. Here, table, chair, bed. Table, chair, bed. These are the furnitures. So write any name of the furniture here in the blank. I am writing sofa. Okay. Now once we'll read. First one, children. Here, jamun, mango, strawberry, kiwi. First one is the names of the fruit. Second one, banyan, neem, gulmohar, and we have written ashok. So these are the names of the tree. Third one, rose, poppy, sunflower. Next we have written lotus. So third one are the names of the flowers. Next, in fourth question, nose, head, chin. And we have written eyes. So nose, head, chin, eyes are the body parts. Next, fifth question, children. Bedroom, kitchen, sitting room, and we have written bathroom. These are the rooms in a house. Okay. Next, last sixth one, table, chair, bed, sofa. So all these are the furnitures. Okay. Now next bit E. Complete the word pairs. Use words from the box. So here the pair words, children, you have to write the pair words, and the words are given in the box. Choose the correct word which is given in the box and write here in the blank. Okay. The words that are there in the box are chair, night, butter, saucer, thread, evening. Here, bit E, children. Complete these word pairs. Use words from the box. So here the words are given and the options are given here in the box. So you have to write the suitable word and make the pair words. Okay. So the words which are given in the box are chair, night, butter, saucer, thread, evening. Now you have to write the words here in the blank and make the pair words. The first one is done for us. Look at the screen, children. Morning and evening. In the same way, write the other words here in the blank and make the pair words. Here the second question is bread and. So bread and butter. Morning and evening, bread and butter. Write butter here in the blank. Butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Bread and butter. Third one is Day and night. The word is night. So write night here in the blank. Day and night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay, that is a pair word. Next, fourth question, children. Table and dash. Table and dash. The option is chair. Table and chair. Write chair here in the blank. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay. Now next, fifth question, children. Cup and dash. Cup and dash. The answer is cup and saucer. Write saucer here in the blank. Saucer. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Cup and saucer. Next, sixth question, children. Needle and dash. Needle and thread. Needle and thread. Write thread in the blank. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. Now read out the pair words, children. Morning and evening. Bread and butter. Day and night. Table and chair. Cup and saucer. Needle and thread. Okay. Now next bit is spelling. In spelling, bit F. Choose and write the letters from the clouds to make words. Here in the clouds, the letters are given TR, TW, SH. Now you have to choose correct letters which are there in the cloud and write here in the blank and form a meaningful word. Okay. Here the first one is twig. T-W-I-G, twig. Now second one, dash dash O-E-S. So we'll take SH from the cloud. And the word is shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Third question, children. Here, dash dash A-D-E. Next we'll choose SH only. That is shade. S-H-A-D-E, shade. Fourth question, dash dash U-C-K. So we'll choose the letters T-R and the word will be truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Next, fifth one, children, dash dash I-S-T. So we'll take the words T-W from the pink cloud. T-W. And the word is twist. T-W-I-S-T, twist. Okay. Now next, sixth one, dash dash U-N-K, U-N-K. And we'll choose the blue cloud, that is T-R. Right. T-R. So T-R-U-N-K, trunk, trunk. Okay. Now next, seventh one, children, dash dash A-R-E. So we will use the word SH. The green cloud will choose it. So the letters are SH. S-H-A-R-E. And the word is share. S-H-A-R-E, share. Okay. Now next, eighth one, children, dash dash E-E. So we'll choose the blue cloud and the letters in the blue cloud are T-R. T-R-E-E, tree. The word is tree. Okay. Next, the last one of this bit, children, dash dash O. So we'll choose the pink cloud. The letters in the pink cloud are T-W-O-2. T-W. So now already O is there. So the word is T-W-O-2. Now once we'll read the words, children. First one, twig. Second, shoes. Third, shade. Fourth, truck. Fifth, twist. Sixth, trunk. 7th, share. 8th, tree. 9th, two. Okay. Now next we will discuss grammar fun. Okay. Here in grammar fun we are going to learn about the special names. Okay. Now read these sentences. Karan and Kareem live near Panchavati forest. Karan and Kareem live near Panchavati forest. Second question. Nagpur, Chennai and Kolkata are the names of some cities. Nagpur, Chennai, Kolkata are the names of some cities. So here all the words in color are special names. Here the words which are there in pink color, that is Karan, Kareem, Panchavati, Nagpur, Chennai, Kolkata, all these are the special names. So remember children, special names always begin with capital letters. Write the special names with capital letters in between the sentence also. Okay? Here. So special names always begin with capital letters in between the sentences also. Okay? So now, big G, underline the special names in these sentences. In the sentences, the special names are there. You have to underline the special names. Okay? So here, the first question is done for us. First one, Ali and Hari are neighbors. Ali and Hari are neighbors. Here, who are neighbors here? Ali and Hari. So, Ali and Hari are the special names in this sentence. Next, second one. Chang will visit Sikkim in August. Chang will visit Sikkim in August. So, here who is going to visit Sikkim? Chang is going to visit. Where he is going to visit? Sikkim. In which month? August month. So, here the special names are Chang, Sikkim, August. Okay? These are the special names. Next, third question, children. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. What is in Agra? Taj Mahal is in Agra. So, Taj Mahal is the special name. And where it is? In Agra. Agra is also the special name. So, here the special names are name of a person or name of a place or name of a thing. In the first, Ali and Hari are the names of a person. Second one, Chang is the name of a person. Sikkim is the name of a place. August is the name of a month. Next, fourth question, children. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Here, Patna is the name of a place. Bihar is the name of a place. These two are special names. Fifth question. The Ganga is a long river. What is a long river? The Ganga is a long river. So, Ganga is the name of the river. Underline it. Okay. So, these are the special names. First, in question 1, Ali and Hari are the special names. Second, Chang, Sikkim, August are the special names. In third question, Taj Mahal, Agra are the special names. Whereas in fourth one, Patna and Bihar are the special names. And in the last fifth one, Ganga is the special name. Okay. Now next, the last bit, children, bit H. Give a special name of these common names. So here the common names, children. You have to give a special name. Book. Any book name you have to write, but the name of the book you should write and the starting letter should be capital. Next, friend. Write your friend name, name of your friend. Any of your best friend name right here in the blank. I am writing Teja. And remember that the starting letter should be capital. Next, third one, school. Write school name and begin it with capital letter. Okay. Now next fourth question, children. Country. Now next, country, name of the country. As we are living in India, we are Indians, right? India, children. Next, India, India. Next, fifth one is teacher. Write name of your teacher. Last year your class teacher was Yamini teacher, so write Yamini, Yamini, Yamini. Okay, now next, the last one is river. Write the name of the river. Just now we discussed that the Ganga is a long river, so we'll write Ganga, Ganga, Ganga. Okay, now once we'll read out, children. First, book, Nodi, the name of the book. Friend, Teja. School, Teja International. Fourth one, country, India. Fifth, teacher, Yamini. Sixth, river, Ganga. Okay, now remember that when you write the common names, the common name should begin with a capital letter. Okay, the common names are names of a person, place, or a thing. Okay, now with this we'll close today's session, children. In today's session we have discussed all the textbook bits of lesson 3. Now coming to today's your homework, complete all bits of lesson 3 in your textbook. Complete all bits of lesson 3 in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.